Attention all miners and enthusiasts of digital treasure hunting. In just 1 week, you will be introduced to a novel bot that promises to redefine your coin collecting experience. This innovative bot operates on straightforward mechanics. By the simple act of clicking, you collect coins, reminiscent of a gameplay style that has delighted many. Each day brings new opportunities as you can log in to receive additional coins and complete daily bounties. The bot's design prioritizes user-friendliness, drawing inspiration from the popular hamster bots. As you gather coins, you will gain access to the study section where you can purchase cards. These cards are instrumental in boosting your hourly profits, adhering to the model demonstrated in illustrative videos. The underlying premise involves accumulating coins and maximizing profits via daily tasks, which are indispensable for qualifying for the coveted end-of-week airdrop. A diverse array of tasks awaits you, each designed to significantly amplify your coin earnings. By diligently completing these tasks, you will be able to upgrade your cards, thereby enhancing your hourly income. Additionally, an engaging spin game offers a golden opportunity to win coins and USDT, providing an exhilarating chance at extra cash prizes. For optimal engagement and to secure your share from the airdrop, it is imperative to link your wallet to the bot. Active participation in the platform will unlock opportunities to elevate your mining levels and upgrade your bot, thereby streamlining your coin collection efforts. With a modest one-time coin investment, early profitability is within reach. Seize this remarkable opportunity to effortlessly earn free money online. We invite you to join our vibrant community chat for the latest news and updates. With over 150 active bots in the channel, you are bound to discover tools that align with your mining strategy.